morning, dear students. My name is Kumar Guru. I welcome you all today. I hope you all are good at your home and you have done all the work. I have taught you a study about the degree. Yes, definitely. I have told you about uh, comparison of adjective. You know very well about comparison of adjective, in which you have to compare two person or two things. I have told you about comparison of adjective. Comparison of adjective, in which I have told you about degree, how you have to change one degree to another. You have to also make this. I have told you about positive, second comparative, and third is superlative. So in this way we have already discussed about positive. Now today we are going to discuss about comparative and superlative degree. Okay, so in this way we can say that degree that is going on, you have to study it. It is very important to know, because with the help of degree you can compare two persons. Okay, two persons are two things. Clear? So today we are going to study about comparative. Yesterday we have discussed about uh, positive degree. It was as, so as. Okay, I hope you understood the concept of positive degree, as, so as. Now today we are going to discuss about comparative degree, in which we are going to study. Here the comparison will not be equal, but in this positive I have told you about the comparison, it was equal. Okay, but in this comparative, comparison will be not equal. So in this way we are going to start comparative theory today. Okay, I hope you understood about it. If there is any question you can ask. You can send me all the pics of your notes daily when you finish your class or you complete your notes. Okay, try to do it. I have given you message, but some of the students only send me the pic of that notes, but you all have to send me the pic of your notes daily at evening. Okay, so now the comparative degree you have to make. The comparative degree. What is comparative degree? As it is the name of comparative, related to comparison, so what is comparative degree you have to take? Can you guess something about comparative degree? What is this? When you compare two persons or two things, okay, then one will be greater than another, one will be better than another, one will be stronger than another. Okay, so in this way we can say that comparative degree, it is used when two persons or two things of one way, or you can say that are compared together. Suppose you can say that it is used when two persons are two things are compared together. Okay, with the help of adjective, and in the adjective you have to use er. Okay, and then you have to use than. Then you can make any kind of sentence of comparative degree. Okay, first we have to know it's used. It is used when two persons or two things are compared together. Then we have to use adjective, er, and then. Okay, in which if you are adding er in any kind of adjective, it will become comparison, comparative degree. Okay, so now we are going to discuss about some example of it. Okay, at least 4 5 examples we have to discuss today. Note down it. Have you noted? Okay, now you can make the more example of this. Suppose I am saying that my brother is stronger than me. Stronger than me. Okay, we have added here strong plus er, and then in this way my brother is stronger than me means my brother in the comparison of me is stronger. Okay, my brother is stronger than me, so I am not stronger than my. You can convert this in positive. I am not so strong as my brother. Look at this. In this way you can say that. But we are studying comparative degree. We have to make comparative. Clear? You can say that he is taller than his father. He is taller than his father. He is taller than his father. In this way we can say that taller than. Taller than means adjective plus er, and then easily we can make any kind of comparative degree. He is taller than. In the comparison of tall, you can say that in the comparison of his father he is taller. Okay, note down it. Have you done? I hope you are understanding about the concept of this. In this way you can make a lot of sentences when you talk, when you speak, when you write anything. If you want to compare two persons or two things together and you want to tell one is greater, one is greater or one is better from second. So in this way you can use adjective plus er then and then. Okay, so note down it. I hope you have done it. Suppose they are two person. They are two person. I am saying that in this way. Suppose there is one person, one boy, okay, and this is saying that to him. Look at this. This is a person, this is a boy, and this is a boy. Okay. Now this boy is saying to this boy, what is this? He is saying that I am more intelligent than you. Look at this. This is a boy. Suppose his name is Harry and his name is anything, Annie. Okay. So this Harry is saying to Annie, I am more intelligent than you. Okay. I am more intelligent. Here is intelligent. We can't add here er in this adjective. There are some type of adjective in which we can't add er. So we have to use more. More is the comparative degree of much or many. Okay. More is the comparative degree of much or many. So we have to use more before some of the adjective in which we can't add er. So I have noted here, means this Harry said to Annie, I am more intelligent than you. I am more intelligent than you. So more intelligent means better than him or greater than him. Okay, greater than him. In this way you can say that. He can say that another thing. Suppose he is saying to another boy. He is saying to another boy, there is one suppose he is girl. Look at this. Now this girl is saying to Harry, I am stronger than you. This girl is saying that I am stronger than you, Harry. Okay, you. So in this way, there is also comparison between two persons. In this comparative degree, you always compare only two persons or two things, not more than two. Okay. So here I have seen, I have told you about Harry compare to Annie, and this Mary compare to Harry. Okay. So this is a one and this is second. This is one and this is second. Compare to him and compare to him. Okay. I hope in this way you can understand the concept of this comparative degree. Only comparative degree and positive degree, it will be compared only between two persons or two things. Okay. So I hope comparative degree you have already understood the concept of this. If there is any kind of adjective, such type of adjective in which you can't add any er, so you can use this kind of adjective. Okay. So I hope you have noted it, and now we are going to discuss about the last part of this, that is superlative. Note down it. I hope you have done it. So now we have another topic. We have another topic, that is superlative degree. The superlative degree. Look at this superlative degree. What is superlative degree? We have to understand. Okay, when we compare two more than persons, two more than, two more than. Okay, when we compare, if there are two plus persons or two plus things, we compare, that time we can say that that is superlative degree. Okay, it is used when more than two. Okay, you can say that two more than, not more than two, more than two. Okay, it is used when more than two persons or things compare. Okay, in this superlative degree you have to find out adjective plus est, then you can make. Okay, and before adjective you can add plus the. This is the article the. Okay, so the adjective and est. In this way you can make any kind of example. I am saying that the Ganga river is the largest river of India. Means largest, large plus est. Okay, largest. The Ganga river is the largest river of India. Means I am trying to say you, Ganga river is compared to all the river of India. Okay, to all the river of India. In this way we can say that we can add here. Okay, we can compare when they are more than two persons, more than two things. We can use this adjective est and the. Okay, not done it. I hope you are understanding about the concept of superlative degree. Okay, have you noted? Now look more example of this. One thing is very necessary to remember about it, that is more than two and the plus adjective plus est. This is very important to know. Okay, now I'm trying to say you, Harry is the best student of my class. Look at this, the best student. I am trying to say you, the best student is Harry of my class. Okay, in the class there are a lot of students, but I have compared the Hari to all the students and trying to say you about the best student, who is, that is Harry, sorry, not Hari, Harry. Okay, now I'm trying to say that Mary is the most beautiful girl of my class, of my class. Look at this. Mary is the most beautiful girl of my class. So in the class there are a lot of student. I mean, more student. So you can use here most beautiful girl. Okay. There are many students in the class, but most beautiful girl is Mary. And you have already seen Mary. I have drawn the picture of Mary. You have already seen. Okay. Have you seen? Good. Harry and Mary. I'm talking about Harry is the best student and Mary is the most beautiful girl. So, with the help of two examples, I hope you can understand it properly. What is superlative degree? Okay, note down it. And one thing that is very important to know about the comparative degree, I am just trying to say you. Okay, note down it first. Have you noted? One thing that is very important to know about the comparative degree. In the comparative degree we use, I am talking about comparative degree. In the comparative degree we use generally adjective plus er plus than. Okay, but there are some words in which you can't use with that than. Okay, you have to use, what is this, with senior than not. Than is incorrect. You don't have to use than. Senior to. Okay, to is correct. Junior to is correct, not than. Okay, and in this way, inferior, inferior to, superior, superior, superior to. Okay, in this way you can use junior, senior, junior, inferior and superior. With all you have to use only two in the comparison of anything, but you don't have to use that. I am trying to say you Harry is senior to Annie. Harry is senior to Annie. Annie. Harry is senior to Annie. And you know very well who is Annie and who is Harry. Okay. Mary is junior to Harry. In this way you can say that you have to use two with junior, senior, inferior or superior. You don't have to use that. So I hope you understood the concept of this, and try to make your notes daily and send me the pic of your notes at the evening time. It is very necessary for you. In this way I will find out you are working on your study. Okay, at your study you are working, and you have to always send me the pic of your notes. In this way I will check your copy. Okay, so I hope you liked it about the comparison of adjective and positive, comparative and superlative we have already discussed. So next day we will see tomorrow. class is over now. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.